Good afternoon, Wash. Today is November 4th, 8-day regular schedule, and today is Use Your Common Sense Day. During this broadcast, we are going to be sharing some easy steps to finding and developing your common sense.
Let's start with step 1. Familiarize yourself with the purpose and meaning of common sense. According to Merriam-Webster, common sense is about exercising sound judgment based on a simple perception of the situation or facts.
Now let's put this into practice. For example, say your sister is having a sleepover and you just want to go downstairs and terrorize them with your Nerf gun. That's where you use that thing called common sense to know that that's a terrible idea for many reasons. Now on to step 2.
Step 2. Don't blow things out of proportion or be consumed by the worst case scenario. Let's put this common sense stuff on hold for a moment while we share an important announcement.
Tuesday, November 17th is the required evening performance for the Washington bands. All grade band musicians are to be in the band room at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, November 17th to tune up for our 6:30 p.m. evening performance. Donations will be taken at the door for this performance. Wear your khakis and your black music polo to the performances.
Back to developing your common sense. Step 3. Divorce yourself from reality. Basically what this means is that sometimes our brains interpret things wrong, and it's good to just take a step back and look at the situation in someone else's perspective. For example, maybe your group is working on a project and you're absolutely sure that your idea is the best idea for the project. Maybe take some time to listen to others' ideas. Who knows, maybe there'll be a wonderful idea.
Good point. Before step 4, let me remind everyone that this Friday, November 6th from 7 to 9 p.m. is our first dance of the year. The theme will be washout, so wear any Washington clothing or white and blue clothing. We will have the dance in the North Cafeteria and dodgeball in the South Gym. The deadline to sign up your dodgeball team is Thursday, November 5th at 8 a.m. Dodgeball teams can consist of 10 people, and you can pick up a form to sign up when you get your ticket. Tickets for the dance are $5 or $4 for Renaissance members. They will be sold at lunch through Friday of this week.
Back to this fascinating common sense stuff. Let me share step 4. Step 4 is acquainting yourself with your reflective mind. This is the part of your thinking where true common sense resides. The part that takes a bit of time out of the cleverness, the brightness, the importance of everything rushing you right now, and suggests that it's time to add a dose of cold water to this excitement. It's important to take some time at the end of the day to look at what you can improve for tomorrow.
Speaking of excitement, we need to give away some prizes today. If you purchased at least 2 books in the book fair, your name is in this bucket, and we are drawing today for posters. Here we go. Let's start with this poster. And the winner is Macy Burns. Our next winner is Peter Rettenmeyer. Haley Culbertson, Michael Heiderscheit, Anna May, Dylan Fair, and Alora Rapp. These winners can stop into the LRC after school to pick up your posters.
So you don't go on common sense overload, here's today's LEAP news. There will be Y Club, Open Swim at the Y, Bling, Creative Arts, and Homework Help. And if you are candidates, campaign members for mock convention, then listen up. Candidates and campaign managers for mock convention, only you will meet during home base in the LRC on Thursday, November 5th during home base.
Let's get back to using our common sense with step 6. Learn things that are basic common sense. For example, if you see a bear, don't try to go up and pet it, because when you do that, you're cruising for a bruising, or worse.
It's also common sense to know the answer to the brain teaser from yesterday, which is 60. Miss Jen ate 60 sandwiches, and they were no doubt delicious.
Well, it's also common sense to wish someone a happy birthday on their special day, so let's do it. The birthdays today are, drumroll please, Jacinia Flores. So use your common sense and wish her a very happy birthday today.
Now for the thought of the day. Common sense is like deodorant. The people who need it most don't use it.
Use your common sense today, Wahawks.